Hello and welcome you once again in this new session of English language. Today's topic is the future tense. The future tense. Future, here you will write will, shall plus verb first form. Will or shall plus verbs first form. Now here you have to write some sentences regarding your future planning. Future, the work you have to complete after some time. You have to do after some times. So some lines you have to write about your future for your next 10 years. What you want to do in your next 10 years in your life. Now you can write that I will plan to explore the tourist destinations of the world. I will plan to explore the tourist destination of the world. It is your ambition. Now you can write that I shall save a lot of money to do so. This is your ambition, that you want to explore the tourist destination of the world. For that you have to save a lot of money. I shall save lots of money to do so. Then I will build a big house for my family. So these are your few ambitions that you want to fulfill in the next 10 years. It's your future, you want to do that. Okay, now exercise A. Here we have to circle the verbs in a simple future tense. How will we? A will, shall and verbs first form. Right? Okay, now Suresh, how will you complete the task at hand? Do you know we are already late? So see the will. How will you complete? He said, I will surely finish this work. Sir, Ronak will help. Who will help? Ronak will help to complete this task. He has promised that he will come to my place every evening for an hour. He will assist me on this project. Now that sounds okay. I shall check you in a week's time. Will keep sending me daily reports, right? In the second, for how long will you keep delaying cleaning your room, Raman? Sorry, mother, I shall get to it. Right away, I shall just finished. Then, okay, call me once you begin. You will do. you will do the major cleaning. I shall help you along. I shall need your vacuum cleaner though. Oh, you will need much more. You will have to go to the down supply closet before you start. All right, I shall see you. I shall see you for the my big project in half an hour for now. Exercise B. Here, choose the correct options to complete the sentence in the future continuous tense. Future continuous. That means here will be or shall be plus verb in ing form. So you can see here will be sending. Then my neighbor will be. We will be visiting you next week. Why will you be helping me this time? Be helping. The animals will be starting a new business. The animals will be electing their king and he will be starting a new business next month. Then we will be giving blanket to the needy on Sunday. Pritha will be throwing me the big bag from balcony. Exercise C. In this exercise, we have to make sentence using either the simple present or a present continuous or going to structure to indicate in the future. Okay. Now plane land 5:30 p.m. The sentence will be like this. The plane lands at 5:30 p.m. or you can say in a present continuous that the plane is landing. The plane is landing at 5:30 p.m. They start new project. So they are starting a new project. They are starting a new project. So they are starting a new project is as simple as the present continuous tense. Or you can say that rally began at 10 a.m. The rally begins at 10 a.m. or rally is beginning at 10 a.m. Exercise D says that you have to express future tense. Correct the answer. Are you going to picnic next week? Yes, I think I shall go. Actually, I shall going to my uncle's tomorrow. Then I shall be going to my uncle tomorrow. I am not sure when I shall return. I see. Actually, I will go. I will go on the picnic if you will go. Okay, I shall ask my mother and I shall let you know by tomorrow. Great. I shall wait for you. Exercise E. We have to frame some wishes from this character. We will use the words will, shall, and verbs third form. Okay, now first one is given to you. I will have become a writer by the time I am 30. Play in the best band. I shall have explored the Amazon basin. I shall have explored the Amazon basis. Then I shall have played the best band. I shall have played my best band. Then I shall have played in the World Cup final. See, the football is there. I shall have played in the World Cup final. Or I shall have become a famous chef in a restaurant. I shall have become a famous chef in a restaurant. Now the last one is that you can see that lots of animals are there. The sentence will be like this. I will have become a zookeeper in Lucknow. So the future tense, it shows that the work which you will do in a coming days. The word like will, shall, will be, shall be plus verb first meaning verb plus ing or first form or third form are used. So I hope all of you have understand this lesson very well. Follow this video and read this chapter very carefully. Once again we will meet in our next session with a new chapter. Till then, take care of your health and have a nice day.